I'm Kevin Shaw, and you're watching the Watercraft Journal. For this episode of Uncut, we're doing something pretty different as we're using footage that was provided to us from Sea-Doo of the Sturtevant, Wisconsin facility. This facility used to be the old Evinrude headquarters, but is now a massive 472,000 square foot facility that spans over 65 acres and employs an impressive 465 people who are all engaged in building the Switch watercraft for Sea-Doo. Now, we're going to go into a little bit of detail here as to what you're seeing, as well as some information on the plant itself. The plant used to be the old Evinrude headquarters, and in closing Evinrude back in 2020, and took those 137 employees from Waukegan and moved them to the Sturtevant plant. As you can see, the employees are adding the clear-sided fencing to all the Switch boats as they move down the assembly line. And one of the most revealing things for a lot of people who are just not familiar with the Switches is that these machines are modular. As you can see, it's not a sealed pontoon, but rather a module outrigger. As you can see, beneath the skin of every outrigger are a series of preformed foam molds that keep the boat afloat. As assembly continues, you can see that the black access cover has been removed, and they're attaching the points where the anchor and anchor line will be attached. Prior to this stage, the center console is attached and fully wired to the powertrain beneath the access panels. Here we're seeing the last bit of fencing being installed before the clear panels are attached. As we move forward, we're going to see some final stages of the assembly process, as well as the finished Switch being transferred from the dolly carts onto its own trailer, and then finally being wrapped and prepared for shipping. The most interesting part of the Sea-Doo Switch production run isn't how it's done so much as when. We were recently told that the Sea-Doo Switch production run is going to be year-round. Unlike the Ski-Doo or Can-Am or even Sea-Doo production, the Switch continues 365 days, 12 months, all year long. So that means that Sea-Doo is in full year production to help meet the demand for these new pontoon boats. So here we're seeing the final stages of production when these finished vessels are transferred onto their trailers and then finally wrapped and prepared for shipping. What we found most interesting was that every one of the Switch boats are shrink wrapped by hand. You're going to see them cover the vessel and then by hand trim off the excess material and then use heaters to adhere the shrink wrap onto the vessel. It's not put into a vacuum sealed room or put into an oven. It's all done by hand. We can presume that this is done primarily to protect the vessel from unnecessary heat and to make sure that it has a final hands-on approach in getting this vessel ready to be shipped out to its new owner. Currently, the demand for the Sea-Doo Switch is all but overwhelming, keeping the crew here at the Sturtevant plant working tirelessly all year long, very long hours, just to get the vessels out as quickly as humanly possible. We're pretty excited for the impact that this vessel is going to make, especially upon the entry-level boat buyer, and we look forward to seeing how the aftermarket responds to these machines as the years go by. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. We definitely want to help get the word out. And if you enjoyed content like this and want to see more, please make sure to hit the subscribe button there at the bottom.